Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to add photo collage on Facebook story. So let's get started. At first let's get into Facebook app. So here it is. Here we can see create story option over here. Simply tap on this plus icon. Choose the photos. At first click on select multiple since we are creating the collage. And choose the photos you want to add. And click on next. And here we can see this option called photo collage. Simply tap on this and you can change this to any form you want, and once you are done simply click on share. So the collage story is finally shared. So this is all we can do to add a photo collage in Facebook story. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.